So guys, I'm going on a date with my boyfriend this evening, so so let's do a get ready together. So I'm not going to do anything crazy, I'm just going to do like a soft glam with like I think a few new products, so let's go. So I'm just moisturising with the Ember Elise cream, do you know, like that viral famous cream. It makes your skin so plump and it really is nice and soft and smooth. I stuck my brows down with the new NYX Bush Tamer, the sex education one, and oh my god, it's worked so good. It's worked like soap brows, and then I'm just having a NYX brow day, so I'm using their brow pencil. Carved my brows out, and now I'm just going to prime with Milk's Hydra Grip. Now I'm going to go in with the It Cosmetics CC cream. I've tried it once and I absolutely loved it, and now everyone's raving about it online, so we're going to try it again and see if it holds up to the test tonight. Now just cream bronzing with Pink Honey Bronze Face Frostings. I literally use this in every video just because it blends amazing, it lasts like all day, all night because it's a cream. It's great. Spray my face with the Wee Cherie new Mist by the Beauty Crop, and then I'm going to just press all of that in with a damp beauty sponge. Just applying NARS Orgasm Cream Blush, liquid blush, and oh, I just love cream blush so much. It just makes your makeup look so much better. Putting it everywhere, forehead, nose, chin. I'm going to try Lancome's new Ultra Wear Concealer and just see how it works. I really hope these products work because I don't want my base to look awful. Really lightly blending that out, and oh my god, I already know I love that. It looks flawless. Wow. Now I need the foundation for this because oh my god. Setting directly under my eyes with my Laura Mercier powder and making sure to like roll and push that product in the creases. Now I'm just bronzing with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. It's smashed to pieces or else I would show it you. I'm just dusting some of the It Cosmetics Bye Bye pores anywhere that I have like texture and want to hide like little bumps and spots and pores. I'm also just going to chisel out my contour with that and set under there because it'll just make it look flawless. Whacking at some bronzer in my crease. I'm being so sloppy and lazy today. Feel a bit bougie, gonna treat myself, so I'm using the famous Dior blush. I'm just taking it on a Peaches PC03 brush. It's my favourite way to apply blush. It just like distributes it and it fluffs it all around, so nice. Just dusting a bit of this Colourpop blush over the top and taking it up to my temples. And now just setting with my Charlotte Tilbury spray. I'm gonna bathe in it. Now to bring the skinness back into my makeup, I'm taking the iconic illuminating drops in Original, and look at that. It looks like glossy like skin. Taking Colourpop's Brink Lippy Pencil, can't do it when speaking, and NYX Sugar Gloss Pencil to nuding it up a bit. Then Doll Beauty's Get Lippy on my lips. And this is the finished look. I'm gonna go drink cocktails and play ping pong.